Facebook's collection ad format is designed to create an immersive and visually appealing shopping experience for users on mobile devices. It allows businesses to showcase a combination of images or videos along with product catalogs. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use Facebook's collection ad format. 1. Access Facebook Ads Manager. Log into your Facebook account and navigate to Facebook Ads Manager. If you don't have a business account, create one to access the Ads Manager. 2. Click on Create to start a new campaign. In Ads Manager, click on the Create button to start a new ad campaign. 3. Choose Campaign Objective. Select the campaign objective that aligns with your goals for the collection ad. Common objectives include conversions or catalog sales, depending on your specific objective. 4. Configure Ad Set. In the Ad Set level, configure the following. Audience. Define your target audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Tailor your audience to match the characteristics of those who are likely to engage with your collection ad. Placements. Choose where your ad will appear. Collection ads are designed for mobile devices, so ensure that placements include Facebook and Instagram feeds. 5. Set budget and schedule. Define your budget and schedule for the ad campaign. Decide whether you want to set a daily budget or a lifetime budget. Set the duration of the campaign based on your marketing goals. 6. Select collection ad format. In the ad creative section, choose the collection format. This format allows you to feature a primary video or image along with multiple product thumbnails below it. 7. Choose a cover image or video. Upload a visually striking cover image or video that represents the overall theme or message of your collection ad. This image or video is the first thing users see and serves as the focal point. 8. Create a product set. Create a product set within your ad. A product set is a selection of products from your catalog that you want to feature in the collection ad. This can include images, names, and prices. 9. Customize thumbnails. Customize the thumbnails for each product in your collection ad. Choose high-quality images and consider highlighting different product features or variations. 10. Configure headline and description. Add a compelling headline and description that accompany your collection ad. The headline should grab attention, while the description provides additional context or information. 11. Include a call to action, CTA. Choose a relevant CTA button for your collection ad. Common CTAs include Shop Now, Learn More, or See Products. The CTA guides users on the next steps they should take. 12. Utilize Instant Experience, optional. Consider using Instant Experience, formerly known as Canvas, to create a full-screen experience when users click on your collection ad. This immersive format can showcase additional images, videos, or details about your products. 13. Implement A/B testing. Test different elements within your collection ad, such as cover images, headlines, descriptions, or CTAs, to identify what resonates best with your audience. A/B testing helps you refine your approach based on performance data. 14. Preview your ad. Use the preview feature to see how your collection ad will appear on different devices. Ensure that your ad is visually engaging and that the thumbnails showcase your products effectively. 15. Review and confirm. Review all the details of your collection ad, including targeting, budget, and creative elements. Once satisfied, click on Confirm to launch your ad campaign. 16. Monitor performance. Regularly check the performance of your collection ad in Facebook Ads Manager. Monitor metrics such as impressions, clicks, conversions, and return on ad spend, ROAS. Use the data to make adjustments as needed. 17. Engage with users. Respond to comments and engage with users who interact with your collection ad. Encourage them to explore the products featured and provide additional information as needed. 18. Coordinate with landing pages. Ensure that the landing pages or destination URLs align with the content of your collection ad. Consistency between the ad and the landing page enhances the user experience. 19. Update collections regularly. Keep your collection ad content fresh by updating the product set regularly. Highlight new arrivals, promotions, or seasonal offerings to maintain user interest. 20. Utilize insights for optimization. Use Facebook Insights to gather data on user interactions with your collection ad. Analyze user behavior, click-through rates, and product engagement to optimize future collection ads. By following these steps, you can create a visually appealing and immersive Facebook collection ad that effectively showcases your products and encourages users to engage and take action. Regularly analyze performance metrics to refine your strategy and optimize future collection ads for better results. So that's it. See you soon.